Hello everyone, this is Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to delve into very important aspects of manufacturing. We will discuss quality inspection, its importance, its type, the role of technology and future trends. We will also look into case study that demonstrate how rigorous quality inspection can improve product quality dramatically. So let's get started.
1. Understanding the importance of quality inspection in manufacturing. Quality inspection is a critical part of the manufacturing process. It ensures that products meet the required standards before they reach the market. This not only helps maintain a company's reputation for quality but also reduces costs associated with returns or recalls. 2. The fundamental principles of quality inspection. Quality inspection is based on specific principles. These include the need for clear standards, an understanding of the manufacturing process, consistent testing methodologies, and systematic documentation. These principles form the backbone of an effective quality inspection system. 3. The role of technology in boosting quality inspection procedures. Technology has significantly improved the efficiency and accuracy of quality inspection. Tools like AI and machine learning can analyze data more accurately, provide real-time feedback, and make predictions for future production. 4. Types of quality inspection: pre-production, in-line, and final inspections. There are several types of quality inspections that occur at different stages of the manufacturing process. Pre-production inspection ensures that materials meet specifications. 5. Human insight vs machine precision, a comparative analysis of quality inspection methods. While automated systems provide precision and speed, human inspectors bring unique skills to the table, such as the ability to spot unusual defects. 6. Key elements of an effective quality inspection process. An effective quality inspection process includes a clear set of standards, a comprehensive understanding of the manufacturing process, well-designed tests, and a thorough documentation system. 7. How to implement a robust quality inspection system in your business. Implementing a robust quality inspection system involves creating standardized procedures, training staff, integrating technology, and maintaining rigorous documentation. 8. The impact of quality inspection on customer satisfaction. Quality inspection directly impacts customer satisfaction. Products that meet or exceed expectations can significantly enhance customer loyalty and foster long-term business relationships. 9. Case study: improvement in product quality through rigorous inspection. World-renowned mobile manufacturing company implemented rigorous quality inspection and saw a dramatic decrease in product defects and customer complaints. This led to increased customer satisfaction and improved bottom line. 10. Future trends in quality inspection: AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning are set to revolutionize the field of quality inspection. These technologies can analyze large amounts of data quickly, predict potential issues, and help companies make proactive decisions. This concludes our discussion on the importance of quality inspection in the manufacturing process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on business processes and strategies.